Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a comparison video between my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy and the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis East West. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a comparison type video. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button to give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, hi, hello everyone. Please don't mind my hair. I know it probably looks crazy. I went to get a blowout yesterday because it was hair wash day, and the girl that does my hair, her hair was crimped yesterday, okay? And I was like, oh my god, it looks so cute. Can you crimp my hair too? And she was like, yeah girl, bet. So this is what I got. I think it looks fine. It looked crazy yesterday. She didn't do anything wrong. She did a great job. It's just I'm not used to having crimped hair, and I think it was just a lot. It looks like I have a ton of hair though. Like, it's crazy. Not sure how I feel about it, but I'm gonna have it for like a week until I wash my hair again. So I hope you like it. If you don't tell me because I'll cry. So anyways, hi, yes, hello. Today I wanted to do a comparison video between these two bags right here. In case any of you are like in between, if you don't know which one to pick up, I'll go over pricing, dimensions, what fits inside, all the good, all the bad between these two bags so you can decide which one is best for you. So let's start off with the Nano Speedy. This bag I have had for definitely over a year. I think I got this last April. Yeah, I think it was April. It was around that time. It definitely wasn't like June. It wasn't to my birthday. It was earlier on last year. But anyways, I've had it for over a year now, but this has been one of my favorite bags in my entire collection. You know, if you have been on this channel for longer than like a few months, then you know how much I love this bag. This is one of my babies, one of my most used bags in my collections. Since I've got her, she has maintained a level of use that's crazy, and I like to swap out my bags and rotate my bags, but this one, she always, just some reason, I lean towards her, I go for her a lot, so she gets a lot of wear. So here is what she looks like. This is also the 2021 version of the Nano Speedy because it does have little D-rings and the strap is detachable. So it does come with a crossbody strap. I'll go over that here in just a minute. But just in case you were curious, again, here is what the front looks like. Here is what the back looks like. I do have this little charm. This is something I put on here. The bag does not come with this charm, but I just thought it was cute, so I put it on. And then here's this side, and then here's this side. There is no feet on the bottom or anything like that, unfortunately. And it does come with two little top handles, and the leather on these are already pre-treated, so they already come like this, which I love. I love the fact that it's pre-treated, which means it's a lot easier to take care of in my opinion, and it won't get water spots. So that's one thing we'll talk about with the other one here in a minute. It does have a zipper closure at the top, a very buttery smooth zipper, and then here is what it looks like on the inside. It just has a brown lining. You're not going to be able to see in there because it's so dark, but yeah, that is pretty much the overview of this bag. And then we can go on to the little strap here that is also Vachetta, and this strap is also already pre-treated, so it's going to be the same color as the two little top handles, and it has these claw clasps here, and they say Louis Vuitton on them, and it's like a belt, so it adjusts like a belt would. But that is pretty much everything that comes with the Nano Speedy. Talking about the overview on the Pochette Metis East West, you can tell they do have very different vibes. Like, it's just a different style. They're both very casual bags in my opinion, but you know, they look very different. So this one is going to be a little bit bigger, like lengthwise and just size-wise in general. And then here is what the front looks like on the Pochette Metis East West. It does have a really nice back zipper that does go down a decent amount. Like, it's not super far, so you could fit like receipts and stuff in there, something kind of small. And then here is the side. It kind of has like an accordion style situation going on. And then it does have 2 sets of D-rings, and we will get into why here in just a moment. And then here is one of my favorite things about the Pochette Metis in general is it does have the really nice S-lock. So this is a type of hardware that Louis Vuitton does that I just think is so beautiful. You kind of click it in and it opens up like that. This bag on the inside has 3 compartments, well, 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments technically. That's why it has that accordion shape. So it has one back pocket, like in the very back right here, that you're probably not going to be able to get that much into, but it is there. It has this main pocket at the back. That is where probably most of your things will go. It does have this zipper pocket in the center right here if you wanted to put like coins or something small. And then in the front right here, it has another kind of main pocket for the rest of your stuff. And that is what the inside looks like. And then this bag does come with 2 straps. So you have a crossbody strap, of course. I love the strap on the Pochette Metis East West. It is just an amazing strap. Like I kind of wish the Nano Speedy had this type of strap. It looks like this. Like I don't really know how to explain it, but it's got these buttons here that you can unbutton like this, and then you can move the strap down. So it has 2 ways that you can wear it. So then you would just line it up. There's a button at the bottom here too. There's like this button right there. So you would line up the button here, and this is how you get your shoulder strap. So you would put this either on the top D-ring or the bottom D-ring, whichever one you prefer, and that is how you do your shoulder strap. And then if you wanted to have crossbody strap, you would just undo the little buttons like this and then just let it up like this, and then you would snap it closed, and now it's long and it is a crossbody bag. I just think that the strap on these bags are so good because it just makes it so much easier to change the type of bag you want. Like with the Nano Speedy, you can't really shoulder bag it. I mean, you can, but it ends up being like quite a long shoulder bag. But with this one, you can really shoulder bag it, crossbody it. I guess you could hand carry it if you want to, but this thing is so small, I don't really see the point. And then you have this fun chain strap. So this is just like a gold chain strap that comes with the bag, and you can either just put this on and have it like dangle down as an accessory. Like if you just like that look, and if you had it on the shoulder strap, it would look like this. And then you would just kind of have this dangling down, just like as a fun accessory. Or you can take off the shoulder strap, and let's say you wanted to use this on like a night out, or if you were going to like a more fancy situation, then you could just carry it just like this with only the chain strap. So this bag does have a lot more versatility compared to the Nano Speedy, but it all just depends on the type of vibe that you're going for. Let's go over dimensions. I feel like I probably should have done this a second ago with the Nano Speedy. Let's see. So for the Nano Speedy, the dimensions are going to be 6.3 inches long, 3.9 inches high, and 3 inches in depth. There's that. And then the dimensions on the Pochette Metis East West, 9.5 inches long, 5.3 inches high, and 2.4 inches in depth. And the strap drop for the Nano Speedy, for the shoulder strap and the crossbody strap, the minimum is 17.9 inches and the maximum is 23.2 inches. And then the strap drops for the Pochette Metis is going to be, for the crossbody strap slash shoulder strap, it is going to be 11.4 inches at minimum, and then at maximum it's 17.7 inches. For the chain strap, it is minimum 11.4 inches and maximum 17.7 inches. there's that. And then one thing that I did want to say is that the Pochette Metis East West does not come with pre-treated leather. It is very fresh vachetta, at least the one that I got. It doesn't have anything pre-treated. So this one actually did get water stains. I got this one in Italy. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see this. Maybe you can. Maybe you can see it a little bit. And it's got watermarks also on this little leather piece. So yeah, that is one thing that's kind of annoying. I do prefer that this one does come with the pre-treated leather, so you don't have to worry about watermarks. This one does not come with pre-treated leathers. It did get, I guess, damaged in a way, just because the vachetta on this one is like so fresh. Now with wear and me taking it out, I think that over time when the vachetta does darken, you won't be able to see the watermarks that much, but it just kind of sucks. Okay, now let's go into the pricing on both of these bags, because I do think the pricing is a bit different. Okay, yes, the price for the Nano Speedy is $1,800, so $1,800 currently on the LV website. And of course you get the bag. It is monogram canvas. It does have the vachetta leather. It has a crossbody strap / shoulder strap, and that is it. And then for the Pochette Metis East West, oh my god, I bought this one in Italy. I don't think that I would buy this in America, to be honest, because this bag is $2,990. I think I paid like right around $2,000 for this bag, or maybe like $2,400, but I think it was a lot like less than that, maybe $2,300. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for this bag, but it was definitely not almost $3,000. That's crazy. But with this bag, you do get the really fancy S-lock. I do know that the S-lock is one of the reasons why it's so expensive. It does come with 2 straps. It has a lot of compartments to fit your stuff in. I guess some people would say it's worth it for $3,000, but yeah, I think that I will stick to buying Louis in the future, probably just in Italy, because it's cheaper over there. The things that will fit in this bag, listen, this is gonna come as a shock to some of you, I'm sure. So when you look at both of these bags, you're looking at them and going, well, obviously, more is gonna fit in this bag because it's, you know, definitely bigger than the Nano Speedy. And I thought so too. It's insane, you guys. More stuff fits in this bag than this bag. Now, I guess it just depends on what you carry, but like my phone, well, actually my phone does not fit in the Nano Speedy. Let me say that. I do have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will fit in here, but it does take up like one full, not full, maybe you could fit something else small in there, but it does take up a decent amount. The reason why the Nano Speedy still fits more stuff that I have found is because it's so much deeper, like it's just wide. You know, it still has that speedy shape. It still is a speedy bag. It's like a duffel bag. So it is very wide, so you can fit bigger items in here than you would think you'd be able to do. This bag, where it has a bunch of the compartments, like they're all they're not shallow, but they're definitely not as deep as the Nano Speedy by a long shot. So like, if I were to fit like my big wallet, like this is the wallet that I've been using for quite some time now. If I were to fit this one in here, like look how much room that already takes up. Bulky things don't really fit well in this bag, because then if you fit too many bulky things in here, it either won't close or it will look super overstuffed, if you know what I mean. Let me just do a demonstration. So for the Nano Speedy, I'm so sorry if you can hear the air conditioning. I had to turn the air on. It's literally like 70 degrees in the house and I just can't handle it. Anyways, so I've got my wallet, and then you can see in here, it just goes in no problem. And then I've got my mirror that can go in. Here's my AirPods, my hand sanitizer, and my headache medication. It's just ibuprofen. And then like I've got a little lip gloss in here. And then I can also fit my keys whenever I go out. I can't really do sunglasses or anything like that because the sunglasses are too long. But yeah, all of that fits in here literally with no issues. So if I were to transfer all of that into the Pochette Metis, I have my wallet, and I can put that like in the middle compartment. I've got my mirror that can kind of just go kind of like at the back. I've got my hand sanitizer, and these are all like pretty bulky items. AirPods kind of go in the front right here. My headache medication can kind of go in, but if you know what I mean, like it's just bulky stuff ends up making it difficult to close. And then if you kind of look at it from the side, it just looks really full. Like, I don't know if I'm making any sense. Maybe it doesn't look that bad, but it just looks full, even though it's not. Even though there's like barely anything in it, it just looks like there's a lot more in it than it is. I mean, it does fit everything. I just don't love that if you put all of your normal stuff in here, it gets kind of hard to close, and it just ends up looking like the bag is pregnant or something like that. And for the price of this bag, for it to not fit like literally everything that I needed to, is a little bit of a bummer, because this bag is a lot cheaper and it fits everything that I've needed it to, but it is a little less versatile, so it just kind of depends on what you prefer. Both of these bags can be worn pretty much the same way. They're both really casual bags in my opinion. This one I guess can be dressed up a little bit more because you do have the chain strap, so if you wanted to take this like out on the town or like to dinner or something, you could do that. This one I just would stick with it to be pretty casual. They're both relatively casual bags. I wouldn't really take this one out at night unless I just didn't have anything else. But that's my comparison between the Nano Speedy and the Pochette Metis East West from Louis Vuitton. Let me know in the comments which one your favorite is. Let me know if you have either one of these, or if either one is on your wish list. Did this video help you decide on which one to get? Just let me know in the comments, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!